Hey guys, Flathead3D here. In today's video, we are going to teach you how to apply your tile material in 3ds Max with Vray. The first thing first, import your file. And press the F10 to change your render to Vray. Now press M, and we are going to do the Slate Material Editor. Right-click, Material, Vray Material. Rename as a side wall. Right-click, Vray bitmap. So we are doing a sidewall. So loading the diffuse map first and apply to the diffuse map. The reflection channel has to be white. And duplicate. And this one we are going to do a glossiness. Next one is the bump map. Select your material and click on your object. Find your material. Shift to duplicate. For this one, we are going to do the tire trend. For a tire sticker, we can create another material. And now you can drag this map to the opacity. So now you can create the Vray light as a dome. Let's throw some HDRI. And right-click, Vray frame buffer. Okay, here's a result. Or you can use the Vray new feature called the Vray Viewport IPR. So now we can check on our material in the real time. If you haven't get a model yet, you can browse it from my online store and make sure you subscribe and follow my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Also, I'll upload new model every week. So stay tuned and see you in next video.